I had music all last night again. Just woke up this morning before 6 o'clock, mind you. This is about 5:45, and there was music playing down the road. It's just bizarre. Interesting to see if I get these pestily sunglasses sellers. I'll probably come and try and hassle me again. I got 2 in the matter of 5 minutes yesterday when I was having my my photo. So bus load of tourists, just what it really needs. Oh well, this is my last full day here, and I can get back to normality in Saigon. I'll be very happy for that. I'm contemplating whether I should go to the crappy fun park. It's got varying reviews. It's a bit run down apparently, so I don't know. But I've got time to kill. I've got to pay $400 for it. That was just not cheap. I've got the money. I haven't spent that much here. I don't know. We'll see later in the day. Yeah, that music really is that fucking loud. It's ridiculous. No wonder it was getting... I was coughing it big time in my room. I'm just leaving here to get away from the music. It's a good enough reason. Could be coming from here. Oh God, who knows? There are no other guests here. Not one other guest I have seen here. Well, that music ain't coming from my place. I don't know, somewhere over there. Talk about noisy neighbours. Oh. With a commentary as well. I don't know what the hell they think they're doing. She's almost a block away, you can still hear it. Oh. Never again. Oh, head to the expat area, get away from that crap. Jesus. Oh, that is horrible. It's like listening to the rejected soundtracks from MASH. Just had a Saigon moment before. Just all these people descended upon me from all directions, and the traffic from both sides. I'm going the wrong way down the street. It was very reminiscent of Saigon. Yeah, but I also bumped into this bloody tree. It's just a bush, the manicured bush. It was bloody hard. It didn't give at all. It was like it was made out of iron. Got a bruise out of that. I mean, what a ridiculous way to injure yourself. You can't tell what something actually is over here until you actually make contact with it. What is this, the day of noise? I couldn't believe it. I don't know, maybe they can't say anything about their neighbours with the stereo, but that was just ridiculous. The noise it was creating in that stereo. It's just horrible music. I don't think they would be happy, but maybe they're just afraid to say something. God, more noise pollution. This is just full on today. Probably advertising of some type. Oh my God. Make you want to be on an isolated beach, really. Makes me look forward to going back to the Peace Palace in Bali. That's a nice little serene slice of land. Well, I never thought I'd say this, but I think I'm going to need a holiday from Bull Tower in Saigon. It wasn't unexpected, but it's feeling that way at the moment. It's just, I'm going to enjoy a drink too. Oh God, it's always more noise. Probably not, don't need to demolish any place, I just want to make some more noise. Getting thrashed here at the pool table. It's a great pool table. It's out in the open. This is offshore pool table, and it's actually you're on a roll here. This is your well. Yeah, it's a great little pool table. This is how they should be designed. They've got about 3 of them. Actually, got one back there as well. So it's a pretty good setup, and weather's perfect. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you think there's anything there of use to you or entertainment or whatever, and either do that or give me a thumbs up, or if you're feeling really energetic, do both. That'd be great. But please don't ignore me. That's the worst thing you can do on YouTube, is be ignored.